All right, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to, make expandable project. So already, refract the project into the view model manager and extension. Right now, I don't have an extension, but put it in case. And I got a chart and chart calculation and chart bar chart. But I want to talk about data because that's like one of the most important thing. And so if you are writing things, you have to think from the data perspective, and then talk about the UI because data important. Got the data down, everything is done. So you got this like the health data model. We got ID, date, value, all that, and we got like generating model data, all that. Okay, but you want to separate the data because you want to computate the data when you say get the average data. So what I'm going to do is to make different chart for different chart. Okay, so we got this like a step bar chart, and then we got another chart for another data. So for example, if you want to say the weekly average, you can have a like a average chart data. So we can do something like command N, and what I'm going to do, since this is like a data wrangling, SwiftUI will suffice, and I'm going to do with the yeah, I'm going to name it like a more generalized name. So I'm going to say chart data model. Okay, so remember this data model is completely different from health data model. Health data model is like all the health data. I'm going to get that three dimension, but I'm going to separate the different like dimension to different chart. Okay, so chart data model will be like different chart data will have different chart data model. So I'm going to just give you some example. So for example, you got this 1 week, 1 week chart data. Okay, just 1 week, and let's just make it identifiable, and just things from the health data model. We got this UID, right? And I just use the UID, and I got this date, and I got this value, double. Okay, really simple one. And pattern, sorry, equal. Yeah, so let's first got the average data ready. Okay, consistent both sides, so just a spacebar will suffice. All right, and here comes the interesting part, is that I already got the data model, and I got another data model, so I can like using a calculation, like a chart calculation, to like chunk the data. Okay, so I can have a specific function and passing a specific data model and chunk that data, execute all sort of like a calculation, and export to another data model. Okay, so for example, 7 days. So average 7 days, we can do that. So I'm going to say chart calculation struct with a functionality of say average. Chart data model 1 week chart data. Okay, so 1 week. Copy that. Go into here. Average 1 week data. Okay, just to calculate the average 1 week, or calculation or whatever. Average 1 week data transformation. Okay, or calculation. I think calculation would be safe choice because we got the title of chart calculation. So calculation. So average that, and then we can for a specific pathing of data. So for data in our health data model, for all the data, and then we're going to just for authentic just for just beautify things, okay, and passing the data out to our how to say that, 1 week chart data. House data model to 1 week. House data model to chart data model. Sorry about that. So to chart data model. Okay, chart data model. And I don't know why it gave me some error like this. Cannot find the scope. Okay, why is that? No idea. Single argument function parentheses. Replace. Okay. Yeah, I believe it's just parentheses problem for a specific data. Parsing cannot find chart data model. Why I can't find it? That's a little bit weird. Let me add the trailing, and just to get this ready. Can I build this? Why can't I get the chart data model? I just created the chart data. Okay. Yeah. Let me do a quick debug. Okay. Sorry. My mistake. This should be 1 week chart data, because this is a chart data model from chart data model 1 week chart data, right? So we calculate using this average 1 week data, average 1 week data calculation. Yeah, we give it a house data model, and we output a 1 week chart data. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to do. Yeah, 1 week chart data model, if you like to have to be like really precise about it. So data and model. Yeah, that's the way to go. And Command and B, we build it. Nothing happened, which is good. Nothing happened. No news is a good news. Okay, so yeah, I'm pretty much satisfied with it. And yeah, that will be like inputs from one data model, output to another data model. Okay, thanks. Bye.